I am in a 2008 Lincoln MKZ, which is the same as a Ford Fusion. I have one existing key, and we're going to be programming in a non-remote key as an additional. Your OBD 2 ports right there, right under the kick panel, in the middle of the brake and the gas pedal. We'll take our key, turn it on. Our security lights, kind of hard to see, but it's right there. It is flashing. Put a link in. MKZ. Oh wait. Check our key count. 2 keys, plenty of room. Program key. We're going to do a coded access. Key off. Key back to on. Data failed. Okay, we're going to start over, leaving the key on for the entire procedure. Okay, you had to leave the key on this one. Didn't like turning it off. 3 keys programmed. Nope, we're done. That's it. Turn the key off. Put the key back on. Security lights on. And it's out. We're done.